Welcome back to Health Journey, where we're dedicated to guiding you on the path to optimal health and well-being. Today, we're delving deep into the realm of heart-healthy foods, a topic that's not only fascinating, but also incredibly important for maintaining cardiovascular wellness. Did you know that what you eat can have a profound impact on the health of your heart? It's true. And with the right dietary choices, you can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and keep your arteries clear and functional for years to come. So, let's explore the top 12 foods that can work wonders for your heart health. 1. Oats. These humble grains may seem simple, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. Oats are rich in a type of fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, from hearty breakfast bowls to homemade granola bars. 2. Fatty fish. When it comes to omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines reign supreme. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week can provide a significant boost to your heart health. 3. Nuts. Crunchy, satisfying, and oh so good for your heart. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also packed with antioxidants, which help protect your heart from oxidative stress and inflammation. Just a handful of nuts a day can provide a wealth of benefits for your cardiovascular system. 4. Berries. Nature's candy, bursting with flavor and nutrients. Berries like strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a delicious and nutritious addition to any heart-healthy diet. 5. Leafy greens. Popeye was onto something with his love for spinach. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're also rich in nitrates, which have been shown to lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Incorporating more leafy greens into your diet is an easy and delicious way to support your heart. 6. Avocados. Creamy, decadent, and incredibly good for you. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and keep your heart healthy and strong. 7. Olive oil. A staple of Mediterranean cuisine, olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can add to your diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect your heart from disease. Plus, it adds delicious flavor to salads, sautés, and marinades. 8. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Oh my! These versatile legumes are loaded with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that support heart health. They're also low in fat and cholesterol, making them an excellent alternative to animal protein. Whether you enjoy them in soups, salads, or stews, legumes are a heart-healthy choice that's good for you and the planet. 9. Dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Chocolate can be good for your heart. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to improve heart health. In moderation, dark chocolate can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow to the heart. Just be sure to choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content to reap the maximum benefits. 10. Garlic. Not just for warding off vampires. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, including its ability to promote heart health. It contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve circulation. Adding garlic to your meals is an easy and delicious way to support your heart and boost your overall health. 11. Green tea. Sip your way to better heart health with a steaming cup of green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve blood flow, reduce cholesterol levels, and lower the risk of heart disease. Plus, it contains caffeine and L-theanine, which can improve mood, focus, and concentration. 12. Whole grains. Last but certainly not least, we have whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and barley. Unlike refined grains, which have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients, whole grains contain the entire grain kernel, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means they're rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which support heart health. Incorporating more whole grains into your diet can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. And there you have it. 12 incredible foods that can help keep your heart healthy and strong. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can nourish your body from the inside out and enjoy a lifetime of heart health. So why wait? Start adding these delicious options to your meals today and reap the benefits of a heart-healthy diet. What's your favorite heart-healthy food? Have you tried any of the ones we mentioned today? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Journey for more tips and tricks on living your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, take care and eat well.